Divine Collective. Spirit is saying that life moves in cycles, shifts in perspective, unexpected opportunities are the reminder that change is a natural part of every journey, okay? And that is how we are starting out this reading. Focus and manifest. Seeing beyond the mask. The performance no longer impresses you. Spirit says you are not responsible, Divine Collective, for carrying another person's unfinished lessons. This is the most powerful version of you that's ever existed. Boundaries are not punishment, Divine Collective. Boundaries are wisdom, okay? I'm getting cosmetology, a nail technician, makeup artist is of significance in this reading, Divine Collective. Judgment, the final announcement, trumpet of awakening, call to accountability, judgment. I heard the judgment cannot be overturned. Every day you choose healing, another chain falls away, Spirit says, okay? The Queen of Wands is here. Spirit says that your light draws attention. I'm getting confidence, creativity, warmth, and purpose within your energy. The Queen of Wands, the Hierophant is here. An expert witness, keeper of sacred law, interpreter of ancient wisdom, standing with the Queen of Wands, the Hierophant. This judgment cannot be overturned. The trumpet of awakening, call to accountability, Spirit says. Instead of rushing to conclusions, Spirit is encouraging patience, meditation, prayer, and careful discernment. Someone here is being charged for doing something to the Queen of Wands that may have left you out in the cold, homeless, left out in the cold, Spirit is telling me, okay? This is someone, Spirit says, they sought validation instead of healing. Okay? Obsessed with triggering you. This is a Scrooge, an Emperor in the reverse, who is stuck in the past, obsessed with triggering you. They sought validation instead of healing. Divine Collective, you are leaving one chapter and walking directly into another one. We're getting the burden of proof here, the responsibility to provide sufficient evidence. Someone here is not going to be able to provide sufficient evidence because everything that they've said is a lie. They've built their foundation on all lies, I'm hearing, okay? Spirit says the strongest foundation is a life rooted in truth, humility, and a commitment to growth. Divine Collective. Someone here is not going to be able to provide evidence to clear their name because all they've been doing is lying on you. Divine Collective. Old patterns are coming to the surface while new opportunities invite a different way forward. Divine Collective. Someone here is considering reaching out. Spirit is encouraging strong discernment rather than haste. Okay? Rather than haste. The moon is here. Confusion, illusion, fear, and deception. Your path may have felt clouded for a season, Divine Collective. A move is being considered, 4:41 on the clock. The Knight of Cups is here. Invitations, conversations, emotional outreach. I'm speaking to an empath in this reading, an empath. An invitation to leave behind denial and respond to truth with humility, Divine Collective. I'm getting a lot of cards about discernment, okay? Pattern recognition. The strength to move beyond resentment. I'm also picking up on that a lot lately, Divine Collective. The strength to move beyond resentment. You owe yourself recognition. Growth often begins in stillness. Discern, another discernment card. Discern everything, receive what brings peace, release what brings confusion. With the moon being here and all these cards surrounding discernment, Divine Collective, I do feel like someone's trying to confuse you or create some type of an illusion here. So discern everything, receive only what brings you peace and release what brings confusion. Justice is here, 6:00 on the clock. The scales are being balanced, Divine Collective. Spirit says this court is not governed by opinion. Every action has been weighed, every word examined. Truth cannot be bribed or manipulated. The call to accountability is here, okay? This change is going to feel uncomfortable initially, Spirit says. A move, separation, packing, leaving. This is divine redirection, not loss, protection, activation, and motion. Your mind is sacred ground, Divine Collective. Pray before reacting, meditate before assuming, and ground yourself before responding, okay? Judgment, once again, I heard herald of awakening. This symbolizes accountability, renewal, and the opportunity to respond differently. Judgment. You're doing a wonderful job, Divine Collective. Spirit says that actions have consequences and integrity matters. Evaluate decisions carefully. Make amends where needed. Seek fairness in relationships. Balance, not retaliation, Divine Collective. 718 on the clock. What tried to break you was sent to reveal you. And someone tried to set you up here, okay? They will be charged for this, Spirit is saying. Prepare for what you've been praying for, Divine Collective, because it's coming. Spirit says your lesson is not only healing, it is mastering stability. Someone was obsessed with swapping destinies with you, Divine Collective. I heard nothing further, Your Honor. Nothing further, Your Honor. The High Priestess twice, double confirmation is here. The High Priestess symbolizes truth, intuition, reflection, and the uncovering. The High Priestess is here uncovering something. Divine Collective. Stay adaptable and grounded as circumstances evolved. Someone fell from grace here because they mocked God. Someone fell from grace. I want to say it's this Emperor in the reverse. Divine Collective. Someone was mocking God. They fell from grace. The Tower, dismantling unstable foundations, is here. I'm hearing hope remains available even after disappointment. Healing does not erase the past, but it allows you to move forward without letting the past define you. Again, Divine Collective, transformation begins with accountability, okay? 8:59 on the clock. May your path be marked by clarity, integrity, courage, and hope. There's some individuals here that are starting to realize that the choices they made were rooted in selfishness, in control, and that they could harm you, Divine Collective. They could have harmed you. They're starting to realize this, Spirit is telling me. Also, it didn't produce the outcome that they expected. The choices that they were making, Divine Collective. 9:43 on the clock. Justice is not about revenge. It's about honesty, responsibility, and fairness, Divine Collective.